AMD, I'm going to be looking to play a bounce trade off of AMD. Still down over 18% off its earnings report day high. I don't want to own any outright equity in AMD, so I'm going to do an options-based trade. So as you can see, we have a definitive low. I don't want to own any equity, so I'm going to look to do a bull put spread. I'm going to sell some 10 delta puts, creating a $5 net credit spread on AMD for potential bounce and a rebound, especially after the Nvidia report.
The trade idea I want to talk to you about is SOFI. I'm going to start you with the weekly chart. So we can see it's already breaking out big time off of both moving averages. You had a consolidation break and a second one here at $11. Now we got a target zone. You get big moves, consolidation week. Big move, consolidation week. Now you're in the big move. And what I see for next week is your potential accumulation. You got a 14 support level, very clean, going way back, important one. And then the last time we're in this channel, a top at about 16.5. So I want to be buying dips in the mid 14s next weeks for that push into 16.5. And then you can hold on for a break of 16.50 where you have a tremendous amount of upside. So accumulation week happening on SOFI. I like it in front of that $14 level. It's buying on those dips where you know your out is.
So with Bitcoin about to break that $100,000 mark, everybody's raving right now about all these crypto plays. And I've got a great one for you today. Marathon Digital. They mine crypto, meaning they mine Bitcoin. So let's talk about the levels that they've got over here. They had a great level initially at $15, but we've kind of since left that. It's been ranging for a really long time. That $15 level really did hold for a period of time, but there's another range that we're going to talk about. It's $19. So what happens when you take out the resistance level, you break above it, and now it's defending it, using it as support. So here's what I'm going to tell you guys. $19 to $20 is a buy area here for Mara. Give this one about $1 to $1.50 worth of range, meaning put your stop about $1 to $1.50 where you would sell to that $19 level. On the north side, we've got a definite resistance level here going back all the way to July at $27.50 to $27. If the stock works up there, I would be taking profits.
All right, traders, look, this is my trade idea for the week. It's going to be an easy one, I think. And what is it? It's going to be Bitcoin because we cannot avoid it. And look at this, only up days. We don't even have any red days. Maybe there's one little small one right in there, but that's at 88,000. Do we get a pullback? I don't think so. So what are we going to trade on Monday then? Let's look to go long. I think this breaks 100,000 easily by Thanksgiving. So what do we want to do? Well, here's IBIT. It's about as simple as it can get right now. This is the iShares Bitcoin Trust. Now, what have I put on here? This is your 200 period EMA. I love this on a 5-minute chart. What we're looking for is pullbacks into this area. We got one here, we got one here, we got one here, all the way down both times, all 3 times. Bumping back up off that level. The price I'm looking at is right into here, $53.50. If we can get a pullback. Now, we're doing this on Thursday. We'll see what happens on Friday. But leading into no matter what price action we get over the weekend, we will look at the 200 period moving average on a 5-minute chart to see if we can continue to hold it. Sure, it was a little bumpy in here, but at the end of the day, we still broke out. The other line, 50 period moving average. Just say we're not close enough to this and you still want to get long. Well, just use the 50. But remember, give yourselves a little bit of room if we break it. You want to stay long if it breaks the 50, especially if it holds the 200. So use the early line right here, the 50 period moving average, as a trend decider. If we're still above it, take it as a long. But if we dip down, oh boy, this could be a great load up spot. It's IBIT, and for me, it's the trade of the week.